How are you everybody? How are you? Class 3 in Tabarak Private School and teacher Fatma Saudi. Today we are going to learn about how to multiply two digits by one digit. Let's try to calculate 3 times 32. Try to calculate 3 times 32. How many 3 times 32? I like to write it and one way of doing it. Yes, you can write multiplication sentences like this. 3 multiply 3 times 32. You can write it like this, but I like to write it larger number on the top like this. 32. What is the larger number? Is 32. 32 or 3? No, 32. Yes. 32. Write 32 on the top. On the top. Then write multiplication sign. What's the smaller number? Write smaller number below it. What is the smaller number? 3. Yes, 3. Smaller number is 3. But 3 is 1 digit or 2 digits? Yes, 3 is only 1 digit. I put it below the ones place on the number. So I will put the 3 right over here. Write 3 here. Yes, larger number on the top. Again, look, larger number on the top, smaller number below it. You can write, it's too easy to solve the question. 32 times 3. 32 times 3, it's multiplication sentences. 32 times 3. Don't forget again to write multiplication sign. Multiplication sign. And you can read multiplication sentences. You can say 32 times 3 or 3 times 32. You can say 32 times 3 or 3 times 32. It's the same. It's the same. Look again. 32. Now 32 times 3. 32 times 3. Now let's try to compute it. And once again, this is only of doing it. Only of doing it. No, there's many ways of doing it. And I want you to think about why this works. Why? Why this works? Look at me. Now, 32 times 3. Let's look at me. 32 times 3. I will start 32 times 3. I will start with 3 down here. Look at me. I will start from 3. Again, start from 3. Start down here. Start from 3. Then, why? We are going to multiply 3 times each of the digits in 32. 3 times each of the digits in 32. At the first, 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Start with 3 times 2. How many 3 times 2? Yes, you know from our multiplication table. Do you know multiplication table? How many 3 times 2? 3 times 2. Yes, very good. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. If you didn't know, you can figure it out. You can figure it out like this. 3 times 2, you can draw 2 groups. In each group, 3. 3 stars, 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3. Yes, how many all stars? 6. How many all stars? 6. It's meaning 3 times 2 equals 6. Go and write 6 in one place like this. Yes, now we are going to figure out what 3 times 3. 3 times 3. How many 3 times 3? Yes, you know multiplication table. Yes, I know multiplication table. I know 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. If you didn't know, you can draw 3 groups in each group. 3, then calculate all. 3 times 3 equals 9. Go and write 9 in tens place. Go and write 9 in the tens place. Yes, the tens place. Okay, we are done. We are done. Yes, 3 times 2 at the first is 6. Then write 6 in one's place. 3 times 3 equals 9. Go to write 9 in tens place. Its meaning 32 times 3 equals 96. 32 times 3 equals how many? Equal 96. How many 3 times 32 equals the same? The same answer, 96. 32 times 3 equals 96. 3 times 32 equals 96. The same answer. Look at another question. 41 times 2. 41 times 2. I like to write. I told you before, I like to write larger number on the top and smaller number below it. Larger number 41, write 41 on the top. Then write multiplication sign. Then write smaller number below it. Yes, start with 2. 2 down here. Then multiply 2 times digits of 41. Digits of 41. 2 times 1. How many 2 times 1? How many 2 times 1? Yes, I multiply. I told you many times. Any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number. I told you many times. Any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number. It's meaning 2 times 1 equals 2. Yes, very good. Here, go and write 2 in one's place. In the one's place. Then go 2 times 4. 2 times 4. How many 2 times 4? You know multiplication tables? Yes, I know. 2 times 4 equals 8. Yes, very good. If you didn't know, you can stand 4 finger. Stand 4 finger. Then skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. It's meaning 2 times 4 equals 8. Go and write 8 in the tens place. It's meaning 41 times 2 equals 82, or 2 times 41 equals 82, the same answer. Yeah, look at another question. Multiply 1 and 2 digits. Multiply 1 and 2 digits like this. 13 times 2. 13 times 2. Yes, again, I told you many times I like to write larger number on the top, smaller number below it, like this. 13 on the top and 2 below it. Don't forget to write multiplication sign. Then start with 2. Yeah, 2. 2 times each digit of 13. At the first, 2 times 3. How many 2 times 3? I told you before. 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 equal how many? Yes, from our multiplication table, 2 times 3 equals 6. Yes, very good. 2 times 3 equals 6. Go and write 6 in the ones place. Yes. After that, 2 times 1. I told you again many times. 2 times 1 equals 2 times 1. Remember, any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number. Any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number. It's meaning 2 times 1 equals 2. Then go and write 2 in the tens place. Yes, at last, 13 times 2 equals 26, or 2 times 3, 13 equals 26. Yes, 13 times 2 equals 26. Yes, thank you. I hope you to understand me, but you don't forget to study hard multiplication times table because it's too important to solve any question. Multiply two digits by one digit. Thank you very much and good luck.